Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a sunset inspired look, and I hope you enjoy the video. So first I'm gonna prime my eyelids with my NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone. I'm first going to apply it with my brush, then blend it out with my finger, and then set it with my Mercier Loose Translucent Powder.
Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real.
So I'm going to go in with that peachy shade that you see right there and use that as my transition shade. That purple color, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and then build the color up, and after a while I'm gonna start bringing the color up towards my brow bone, just so that it looks a lot nicer, because it'll just be like brows then like weird color and then just eyeshadow. And I'm using my MUFE 35B palette. I'm going to be doing a lot more looks with this palette because I love how vibrant the colors are. So I'm blending that out with my Morphe brush. Just building the color up. So now I'm just going in with my eyeshadow base and just cutting my crease. It's not actually a cut crease look, I'm just doing this so that the colors look more vibrant, because as you can see the purple went down onto my lid and the colors I'll be using won't show up as nicely if I don't do this. So I'm going to use that white shade in the palette just to set the eyeshadow base. And the first color I'm going into is that yellow shade, and I'm putting that right by my inner corner. And I'm just going to bring it up a little bit more. And then after that, I'm going to be using an orange shade from the 35B palette and putting that right next to it. I'm actually going to take another orange color from my Morphe 350 palette, just as another transition type shade. Now I'm going with the pink and slightly red color and mixing those two, and that's for the red part of the sunset look. And so for the last part I'm going to be using that dark like indigo type color or violet for my outer V. And now I'm just going back in with that purple I used in my crease just to clean it up and to make sure it looks all blended. Now I'm lining my eyes with my NYX liquid liners, the vinyl liquid liner in black. And this is honestly my new favorite eyeliner. And I don't remember how much I got it for, but I really like it. I also really like the brush tip on it. It's really nice. And there are my lashes. So now I'm just priming my face with my Baby Skin primer. And then I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation today. I've been using it a lot because I need to get foundations that match me a lot better, because I think I've gotten a lot darker. A review for this hair is actually going to go up. I think that's going to be my next video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So first I'm going to blend my foundation in with my foundation brush that I got from Walmart. And then I'm going to make sure there's no brush marks or streakiness. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to do that. And I realized that I used way too much foundation. That's why it looks kind of weird. I never wear that much foundation, but I thought that I would add a little bit more because I usually use too little. So to highlight my face, I'm actually going to be using my Highligher Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, and I think my Cupid's bow.
I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever.
If you guys have any under eye concealer recommendations, please leave them down below because I feel like I'm becoming a little too repetitive in my videos. So if you have any suggestions, don't forget to leave them down below. Thanks! Yeah, my Cupid's bow is right. I won't highlight my forehead, just if you don't know. I'm going to set that with my Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. And to contour my face, I actually use the Covergirl Single Shadow. I think it's called... Let's see. It's called Brown Smolder. And I use a Quo contour brush. I'm just using my e.l.f. contour brush to contour my nose using that same color. Now I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line after dusting away the powder. I'm just gonna use the colors that I used on my eyes. I'm gonna highlight with my favorite highlighter by Becca, the Prismatic Amethyst highlighter. And after this, I'm pretty much done. So I'm just gonna set my face with my NYX setting spray. It's the matte one. And yeah. Highlight my lip. Oh, right, it's the lip color. I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Court K. I haven't used it in a while. It was honestly my favorite shade for the longest time, but now I have quite a few liquid lipsticks, so I don't use it as much. And I think this lip color goes perfectly with this look. Setting my face, and that's the end of the look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and subscribe to my channel for future videos.
Just run away with me, darling.